This video will be starting to decorate our house for spring. I don't know, I like to decorate for the different seasons. I mean, I have the regular everyday decorations, which is usually like the browns and the creams and whites and stuff like that. But I like to also decorate for the seasons, you know, fall and winter and obviously Christmas. And this is my spring decorating. I don't know, for spring I like to use the whites, but I really like to have the green in. I don't know, green just feels fresh and clean, and I don't know, after being stuck inside for so long and everything outside being all brown and muddy and just yuck, I don't know, I like having the green. It just feels like it's bringing the outdoors in, and maybe, just maybe, if I get started early enough that spring will get here a little earlier. But anyways, I'm starting with our little bathroom. If you've seen the Clean With Me video, which is right here, then you know I like to start from the back of our house and work our way forward. I don't know, I guess in my mind it just makes me think that I'm kind of sweeping everything out the door as I go. So anyways, here it is, starting the spring decorating. I've wanted one of these signs for a while now. It's just a good way I can pretty much put just about anything on there that I really need to be focused on. So I'm liking it. I've already changed it a couple times since I've even made this video, but it's just a good reminder to have stuff right there in your bathroom, because you know you're going to be in there every day. But this sign was awesome because I could just put whatever I want on there that I really want to focus on. And yeah, I'm really loving the sign. I got this tray, actually it was a set of 2, and I got it at TJ Maxx. There was 2 of them for $10, and I just added the little feet to it so it wouldn't be sliding around on the porcelain, and works really well to just hold everything up on the toilet without having to worry about sliding around. I love this shelf for my essential oils because I can put them all out there. They're really easy to get to. They're easy to see. I don't know how everybody else displays theirs, but this is probably the best way I've found to display mine, because if it's hidden away or if it's put away, I'm probably less likely to use it. So if I have them here and they're out in the open, easy to get to, easy access, I tend to use them a lot more. Plus, I just love the essential oils in my bath. And they're pretty colorful decoration too. As you can see, I've got quite a few essential oils, but I also have them from a lot of different brands because I do give other brands a shot. But I will say my favorite essential oil brands are Young Living and doTERRA. What are your favorites? And here it is now that it's all finished. The spring cleaning is done, and now I got my spring decorations up. And I tell you what, it was so relaxing to get in that tub knowing everything was clean and the decorations were up, and I don't know, having my book there, the essential oils, it just made the bath just that much more relaxing. And it also gave me a little more, I don't know, gumption to be ready to decorate the rest of the house, which I'll also be recording, so make sure you watch out for those. But yes, I am just loving the spring decorations and hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did like the video, make sure you give me a like or a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, now would be a great time to do so.